Hey everybody, here we are again. We got another one. This one here is my son sold a lawnmower to his teacher, and his teacher called us and said if we do the regular maintenance on it, and we did the regular maintenance on it. But when he was texting him, he said, "Hey, my father-in-law's got a lawnmower he no longer wants. Do you all want it?" And we said yes. So we got another free lawnmower. It is a Harmony 2 HHR 216 Quattro cut system, Honda. And this one here looks like they've used it a lot because the wheels are pretty floppy and pretty bald. Nice medical grade tape holding the air filter on. And we haven't tried starting or anything. We noticed that the brake cable is kind of messed up there for the brake on the engine. The fuel's been cut off. Let's take a look in the fuel. And there's not a drop of fuel in the tank. It smells okay, but not the best. It also came with a box, and in the box was a replacement set of blades for it that have been sharpened already, so that's a bonus. So we got it up on the workbench, and let's go ahead and check the oil real quick while I got the camera on. And the oil is pretty icky pooey, but it is full. And there's no gas in it, so it looks like he did run out of gas, and he did cut the fuel shutoff is off. And of course now it's starting to rain, so I guess we'll take a break here and let the rain pass, and maybe we'll come back on this afternoon. We'll do a first start on this and see exactly what's wrong with it and go from there. Alrighty, so we got it down off the stand. G Junior put some gasoline in it, and we haven't turned it on yet, so let's turn. Alright, now we have turned the gas on. Let's give it a couple minutes to flow some gas. Yeah, do you need to push that forward to start? Let's see, and choke is all the way there. That didn't sound good. Give it a pull over, see what happens. I think you pulled it off choke a little too fast. Well, whoever owned it looked like they just took the gas out of it and stored it. Does self-propelled work? Ah, no self-propelled. Alright. Well, it looks like the self-propelled doesn't work. Motor runs, self-propelled doesn't work. The last lawnmower, the clutch cable is bad, so we'll get it back up on the table and take a look at it and see what's going on with the self-propelled part of it. Alrighty, well, the lawnmower runs, the self-propelled's bad. The clutch cable is hooked up and it's moving on the transmission, so the transmission must be blown on this thing. Very common problem on these Hondas, and this Honda is pretty old. So I called my brother, and he's got a Honda push mower that has a bad motor. So I do believe we're going to ship this over to my brother's house, and he can use the motor on the one that he has. So I think we're going to end this one here. We got one out of the trash. The motor runs good. Could use an oil change, but it runs good. The air filter's also clean, but the transmission's bad. Don't have a transmission for it. So we're going to ship this one over to my brother's and let him take and use it on his Honda that he's got over there with the bad motor. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can do that right there in that corner. And we'll talk to you all later. Thanks.